cheesy, crispy fries, delicious, flavorful, garlicky chicken. These loaded fries are going to take your taste buds to the next level because they're so good. You can serve these loaded fries as appetizers, main dish, or even surprise your family for lunch during the weekend. For the recipe, you'll need around 4 to 5 medium potatoes, boneless chicken, and I'm using chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs. I have some coriander, onions, garlic, a few spices, your cheese, and cooking oil for frying your chips. So I'm going to place my pan over medium flame with enough cooking oil to fry my fries. Peel and wash your potatoes. Then next you're going to pick a sharp knife and cut your potatoes into fries. And it is really simple to cut your potatoes into fries. All you have to do is chop up one end, lay your potato flat, which is going to be very easy for you to cut your potatoes into long pieces. Then you're going to stack your potatoes just like this and cut into fries. Repeat once more by cutting off the end into long strips. Stack your potatoes and cut into fries. When buying potatoes for your fries, make sure to buy some good quality potatoes because they are going to give you some crispy and delicious chips. Transfer your potatoes to a bowl with cold water. Then you're going to finish off cutting the rest of the potatoes. When done chopping up your potatoes into fries just like this, you're going to wash several times until the water runs clear. As you can see, the water right now is a little bit cloudy. That is the starch in the potatoes. As we're waiting for the cooking oil to get hot, I'm going to be slicing up one onion into strips and finely dice. Once done, you're going to place another pan over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to be making some very delicious chicken for my loaded chicken fries. So I'm going to transfer my onions into the pan, pick my garlic and finely dice. Use a spatula and stir in the onions and cook for around a minute until it's translucent. When the onions are ready and your garlic is well diced, you're going to add into your pan, and the garlic is going to add in lots of flavor to our chicken. So I'm going to grab my chicken breast and slice into medium pieces. Check if my cooking oil for my fries is ready by dropping in 1 potato into the cooking oil. Once the potato floats, the oil is ready. So I'm going to be adding in the rest. Today we are multitasking, so I have to be on my toes because I want everything to turn out so good. Use my skimmer and stir the potatoes. Into my chicken, I'm going to be adding in some paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. Add in some salt. Go in with my hands and rub in or massage in the seasoning into the chicken. Once the garlic has a lovely golden brown color just like this, it's ready. And as you can see, the onions are not browned. I don't need any color in my onions. All I need is the onions to be cooked. Transfer in my chicken stir in. Place the chicken in a single layer and let the chicken cook for around 2 to 4 minutes. Chicken breast usually cooks really fast, and because I don't want to overcook my chicken breast, I'm going to keep watching the chicken as it cooks. Lastly, I'm going to be slicing up some coriander for garnishing my loaded fries. Just like this. Shred a little bit of cheese. So I'm going to be using a box grater to do so. I'm going to place my coriander aside. Pick my box grater and grate about half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Check on my chicken and flip. The kitchen is smelling so good. Super excited for this recipe. Then I'm going to be cooking my chicken together with the flavorful onions and garlic and seasoning for around 2 more minutes. Whenever I'm cooking, I always add in black pepper because it adds in a very earthly taste to food, which I absolutely love. And to my chicken also, I've added in some paprika and garlic powder, which is going to add in some color and a very nice garlic flavor to my chicken. It's been around 4 minutes and my chicken breast is ready because I don't want to overcook. So I'm going to put out the flames and transfer to a plate. Oh yeah, it's looking so good. Together with the bits of onions and garlic. Check on my fries and it has been around 4 minutes and the fries have not crispened up. So I'm going to be cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until the fries are crispy. After 3 minutes, this is how my fries are looking like, and they're very crispy on the outside. So I'm going to shake off the excess oil. Transfer to my plate. Add in some more fries. Add in some cheese. The cheese is going to melt because the fries are hot. Coriander, a few slices of onions, which are going to add in some color, and add in your favorite sauce. When the loaded fries are ready, they're going to be looking so gorgeous, lovely, with a very nice, flavorful chicken. And let's not forget, the fries are going to be cheesy because we have added in some mozzarella cheese. So this recipe is totally worth trying if you're a huge fries lover, and you won't be disappointed because everything turns out amazing.